Okay guys, I welcome you guys again. I believe you all are doing great. I bring you another interested tutorial. In this video, I'm going to take you step by step on how you can create a professional birthday flyer for a child. Either you want to make a birthday flyer for your son, or either maybe you want to make it for a client, or you want to do it for your friend child. I'm going to show you how you can design that kind of birthday flyer like this with your smartphone and Pixellap app. Without wasting much of your time, let's see the intro. Okay, first of all, we need to determine our image size. Um, let's go to your image size. For the weight, we are going to use 100 and 1151 that's for the weight. For the height, we are going to leave it the way it is, then click OK. Having said that, the next thing that I want to do now, I will bring out the background that I want to use. There is a color that I want to use. I want to make use of this. All right, so I'll log this, then I'll go to my color, then click on the plus sign, then click on the person icon, then choose this particular color, and then I'll click OK, then mark it. I haven't done that. The next thing that I want to do now, I want to bring out the shape. I'll go to my shape, then I will turn the radius to 100, make it a cycle like this. Then for the opacity, I will take it to 0. Then for the stroke, I will take it to 56. Then for the color, I'm going to make use of this color. I'm going to make use of this second color, and then I'll click OK. I haven't done that. I will mark it like this. The next thing that I want to do now, I'm going to my 3D. I'll go to my 3D, then enable it like this. Then for the dark, I will take it to let's make it 5, like this should be okay. Then for the darkening, just take it to 0. And then for the light, let's make it 284, then mark it. I haven't done that. I'll need to increase the size a little bit. Just increase the size a little bit. Cool, that should be okay. And then position it at the center like this. I haven't done that. Lock it. The next thing that I want to do now, I want to bring out the child image. I want to go with this. Then I will crop it like this. Then I will mark it, then increase the size. Now we are going to make use of mask here, so pay attention so that you will not miss that point. I know using of mask is not that easy though, but I believe with this tutorial you will know how to make use of mask today. All right, having positioned it at the center like this, we are going to head to our mask. Click on your mask, then just set it like this, so you can just adjust it a little bit. You can cut it anywhere you want to cut it, but that's where I want to cut it. Then I will enable it, then I'll mark it. Having done that, I will double tap this, then position this at the center. Then I'll go to my mask again, enable it out, click on out, enable it out like this. Cool. Then I will take this particular one to the downside. Let it be at the downside. Take it down, let it be under the cycle. All right, then position it, ensure that the come together again. Okay, Cool. I think that is okay. And then I'll lock it. Having done that, I'm going to bring out a cycle. I'm going to bring out a cycle and then give it a radius, then give it this particular color. Then I'll reduce the size, then position it here like this. I think that should be okay. Let's reduce the size a little bit again. Cool. I think that should be okay. Then I will bring out another shape again, then turn the radius to 100, then leave it for the color, leave it the way it is. Then for the opacity, reduce the opacity, let it be I think 45, or make it 50. Let it be 50. Then reduce the size. Cool. I think that should be okay. Then position it here like this. Cool. Having done that, I'm going to double tap this. Then I'll bring it to my left hand side. Like this. Now bring it down a little bit. I think okay. So that should be okay. Then I will double tap this second one again. Then I will do I got to take it off. Then I will do the same thing. Take it here. Cool. Then I will lock it all. Having done that, I want to bring out let's say a text. I want to bring out a text. Let's say the date 20th August. Then I will click OK. Then position it here like this. I haven't done that. I will go to my phones. The phone that I'm looking for is not here. Let me check here if I can see it. Okay, I'll go with this. Then I'll mark it. Then I'll go to my style that I've been, then bold it like this. Then I'll reduce the size a little bit. Then I'll go to my shape. I'll bring out a shape. Then I'll change the color to this. Then reduce the size. Let's reduce the size a little bit again. Cool. I think we can go with this. Having done that, I will take this text up. Let this text be on top of it like this. Then you can now position the text. Position the text in between it like this. Then let's go to our alignment. Position, put it at the center alignment. Then mark it like this. Cool. I think that should be okay. Then as you can as well adjust it, then balance it like this. Cool. Let me see if I can take this to my left hand side a little bit. I want to import something there again. Cool, that should be okay. Then let me work on the text. Cool. Having done that, I will double tap this text again. I want to make use of the same fonts. I will double tap this. I will edit. Let's just tap happy, then click OK. Sorry, I think I make a mistake here. Delete this. Just tap happy, then click OK. then I will position it here again, then I will double tap it again, then I will edit, then birthday, let's set birthday, then click OK. Then I will increase the size of this birthday wider. All right, then position it at the center like this. Make use of your relative position it at the center like this. Then you can as well take it up a little bit. I think like this should be okay. Then for the happy, let it be on top of it. Let the happy be at the top. Take it up, let it be at the front. Then take it up like this. Then that should be okay. Cool. I haven't done that. The next thing that I want to do now, I want to bring out the boy name. I will go to my text again, just capitalize the first letter, the remaining letter. Then you can use it as with a small alphabet, right? Because the font that we're going to use is quite a different font. All right, so I want to go with this. Then I will go to my shadow. I will enable it. Like this. Then reduce it. Just give it 3, should be okay. And then click OK. And then I will go to my 3D text. Enable it like this. Okay. Then for the dark key, take it 0. Then let me see. Okay, just oblique it like this. I think we can go with this. Just mark it. Then I will increase the size a little bit to make it a little boat. Cool, I think that should be okay. And then I'll go to my style, then click on letter I to just bend it a little bit. Then go to spaces. I will space it a little bit as well. I think like this should be okay. Cool. Then position it at the center. Use your relative position it at the center like this. You can as well take it up a little bit, let it be on top of this. Cool, that is okay. I haven't done that. Let me log this first before I continue. And then to spice this a little bit, I just want to spice this a little bit. All right, I will double tap this shape. I will double tap this, then I will reduce the size. Then I will bring it down here. I just want to spice it to make it look amazing a little bit. Then take this back, let it be at the back of the text. Then bring it closer here like this should be okay. Cool. Haven't done that, I will copy this again. Then I will reduce the size as well. Reduce the size again. Then take it to the left. Just position it somewhere around here. That should be okay. Then copy it again. Then reduce the size again. Let it be 2. 2 should be okay. Then take it to your left hand side again. Position it somewhere here like this. Cool, that should be okay. Then I will copy this again. Then this time around I will take it to my left hand side, and then position it in between happy and birthday, right? Then on this note, I will increase the size of this. Cool, that should be okay. Then I will copy this particular one. I will copy it like this. Then bring it to the left hand side again. Cool, position it like this. Haven't done that. I want to bring out a shape again. then I will reduce the opacity, then I will go to my stroke, just give it 2, let the stroke be 2, then for the color give it white, then reduce the size like this. I think that should be okay. I just want to position it here. Cool, that is okay. Then I will bring out another shape again, then take the radius to 100, then reduce the opacity, give it a stroke, give it 2 stroke, let the stroke be 2, then for the color give it white as well, and then reduce the size, let it be smaller like this. Cool, then take it to this same place, just hang it here like this. Cool, that is okay. I just want it to be I just want it to be professional. That is why I'm adding all this. All right, so the next thing that I want to do now, I want to bring out a stick card. This stick card is gonna be light, okay. I want to go with this sticker, and then I will increase the size like this, and then rotate it, just rotate it like this. Then position it here like this, cool. Having done that, I will double tap this, then I will bring it down here, then I will reduce the size of this, a little bit like this. Cool, that should be okay. And then let's lock it and check it out. You can as well zoom it, right? Let me zoom it. How you see how amazing it look like. Alright guys, thank you for watching and God bless you. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, we do share tips and tutorial like this on this channel. If you love this type of content, consider subscribing so that you will be notified whenever we update our channel with a new tutorial like this. Please, if you have any tutorial in mind that you want me to drop on my YouTube next, please drop it on the comment section so that I will make a tutorial on that particular design. Your opinions really matter to us. You are free to join our WhatsApp group. We do share tips and resources in our WhatsApp group. We do help each other and answer questions. So it will be a lot help to you if you really join the WhatsApp group. Thank you guys for watching and God bless you. See you in the next tutorial.